things they say are fine, but I don't feel fine. And it's hard to describe what's going to happen and what is to be expected. And then my right side is numb. I haven't had no family contact with me, so I share this with family contacts. The South St. I want to say St. George, it ain't St. George, it's St. David's, just call the main line somewhere. They might find it. June 22nd, 1974, I believe. But I may go in the hospital, or I may send me home. I'm just not in it. My brain, I can't think. I just wanted you to know to please contact my family emergency people like Peggy, Tammy, Mary, Luann, or even Lisa Knapp, who lives in Georgetown. The rest of them live in Bertram and Round Rock and Kingsland or whatever. But just call it, let them know I don't have a key to the door, that I guess they're going to take care of it. And I'm not feeling my right side, and my left side has been seizing a lot. And I'm just not feeling too good. I started with staring, and then when the shakes started, I tried to be outside, but I didn't want to fall outside. So then I lay down on the floor and let it go. And those people were trying to look in the city. And that's when I got my elbow to dial help. When I was able to tell 911, I answered no, yes, way got help. So I hate being in the emergency room. I left home with nothing on. How sexy could that be? Oh, in case I die, they can put my right side that don't move on my French. Just bought phone and my nice phone on top of that, so I can talk to the ghost people and come visit Patty and Marie. So a seizure with TIA, I guess, and I don't know what else, but I feel a little foggy. Things are not connecting together. But call me anyway, or text me. Look at the pretty scratch and sniffs everywhere. And so there are even some scratchies over there. And there's